Hello students, welcome back in this video lecture series of engineering mechanics. So in the previous lecture we have seen what is a moment, how we are going to take moment, what is its direction, anti-clockwise, clockwise, what it does. So these things we have seen in the previous lecture. So today a very important theorem in engineering mechanics we are going to see, which is Varignon's theorem. So Varignon was a French mathematician who gave this theorem, which is also known as principle of moments. So what does this theorem says? This theorem states that the algebraic sum of moments of a system of coplanar forces about a moment center is equal to the moment of their resultant force about the same moment center. So what, let us just understand what this statement means. So let us say there are two forces F1 and F2, and we want to take moment of this force system about a moment center which is O. So Varignon's theorem says if we are taking the moment about O individually, like F1, the distance from O of F1 is d1 and F2 is d2. So moment about O will be F1 into d1 plus F2 into d2. Okay, so this is the moment. But what Varignon stated, he says that if you are replacing all forces with the resultant, and you know the distance of that resultant from the moment center, so you can write, let us say this was F1, this is F2, so their resultant is R as per parallelogram law, and the distance from O is d. So what will be the moment of R about O? R into d. So as stated by Varignon, these two terms must be equal. Okay, so F1 d1 plus F2 d2 will equal to R into d. I hope you got this. So let us now move ahead and solve one question so that more clarity will come regarding Varignon's theorem. So the question is, determine the moment of 100 Newton force acting at B about moment center A. Okay, so this is the force acting at B, 100 Newton, 60 degree from x-axis. The distance of A and B, let us say this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So distance from x-axis is 300 mm and distance from y-axis is 500 mm. So we want to calculate moment about A of this force. So MA will be, we have to take care of the signs. Okay, so Fx plus dx, x component of this into component the distance from, so the component along x-axis of displacement, and y component of this multiplied by y component of displacement. So what is the x component? Fx will be 100 cos 60. This will be the x component, and y component 100 sin 60. So we are taking moment about A. So one thing we have to check, when the component we are taking x, the distance will be in along the y direction. Okay, because this point is the component is 100 cos 60 in this direction, so distance will be 300 mm. So this will be something like this will be something like this. So the force is in this direction, point is here, so this is clockwise. Okay, so this is positive. But what about the y component? So 100 sine 60. So this is in this direction. Point is here. So we'll move like this. So this is anti-clockwise. That's why here it is taken as negative. So 100 cos 60. So it is, this force is 300 mm from this point A. So multiplied by 300 mm. 100 sine 60. 100 sine 60 is along this direction. So it is 500 mm from this point. So 100 sine 60 into 500. So after calculation you will get to know that this is the final answer. We can write, like, if we want to remove this minus sign, just we can write the direction is anti-clockwise. So this is a very good example. Now the second question is, what will be the what will be the y-intercept of 500 Newton force shown if its moment about A is 100 Newton meter? So this is the force, this is point A, its moment about A is 100 Newton meter. So we have to calculate this y-intercept. So this is your homework. We will discuss this in the next lecture. So let us move forward. Now the next topic is couple. We have completed our moment portion. Now let us move to couple. So what is a couple? Two parallel forces equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. So what are the conditions? Magnitude should be equal, direction should be opposite, and separated by definite distance. The distance between them should be definite. It should not be in there. If they are parallel, so distance is not going to change. So the couple, when a couple is going to form, when two parallel forces equal in magnitude and opposite in direction and separated by a definite distance are said to be form a couple. Okay, opposite in direction, equal in magnitude, and separated by a fixed distance. The sum of the forces forming a couple in any direction is 0. Why it is 0? Because they are in equal and opposite direction. So wherever direction you are choosing, this plus this is always going to be 0, which means the translatory effect of the couple is 0. So we cannot move any body, we cannot have translation of the body with the help of couple. We can only rotate, couple can only rotate. So one very interesting thing I want to show you about couple. So just I want to write moment of a point M1. This is the point 1. So this force is at d1 distance, this force is at d2 distance. So just take the this is what is the direction, f into d1. Okay, clockwise. F point is at d2 clockwise, so it will get add. So f into d2. So f d1 plus d2. d1 plus d2 is f into d. Okay, no problem. So let us say if a point is at 2, what is going to be the moment about this point m2? F into d3. F, the distance is d3. This force, this is clockwise, this is also, no, this is not clockwise. Point is here, force is here, so this is anti-clockwise. So this is F into d4. F d3 minus d4, F into d. Very good. Let us take a third point, which is something like this. So clockwise is positive, so for this force, point is here, so this is clockwise. F into d6. This is in this direction, point is here, so this is anti-clockwise, so F into d into d5. So d3, d6, d5 minus d5 is, so this is magical. The point you can choose anywhere, the moment is going to be F into D. F is the magnitude, D is the distance between the poles, couples. Okay, so this is a very good observation you can have. Try to take any random point, make a couple, try to make 3-4 points around these and try to take the moment about those points. You will get this F into D in any case. So let us see some more properties of couple. So we can list the following properties of a couple. Couple consists of a pair of equal and opposite parallel forces which are separated by a definite distance. This we have seen. The translatory effect of a couple on the body is zero. This also we have seen. The rotational effect, that is the moment of a couple about any point, is a constant, F into D we have seen, and it is equal to the product of the magnitude of the forces and the perpendicular distance between the two forces, that was F into D in the previous case. Since only effect of couple is the moment, which is the same at all points, the effect of a couple is unchanged. If first the couple is rotated through any angle, you are free to rotate it, that moment is not going to change. You can have, like, we can change the direction, but it is not going to affect on its moment. The couple is shifted to any other position also you can change. Finally you choose the point, you will end up getting moment as F into D. The couple is replaced by another pair of force whose rotational effect is same. Okay, so if we are having a set of like F force F1 and F1, and we are replacing it by another force F2 and F2, that couple is made up of two equal forces, that is F2. If their rotational effect is same, so nothing is going to change. Okay, like what does it mean, F1 into D1? Let me show you. So something like if F1 into D1 is equal to F2 into D2, still these two can be replaced without affecting their rotational effect. Okay, so this is all about couple. We'll see in the next lecture more about couple, and please do the homework. Many of you are not attending the classes, no one is writing their name, roll number. You are free to do feedbacks also. If you think like something is not covered, something should be changed, just comment. I will see and I will take actions according to that. So I hope you enjoyed. We will next in the next lecture. Thank you.